Okay, so here's inside the Instant Flash sale and how the platform works. What would you actually do to make your flash sale go? So the first screen you're going to see, this is would be your admin login. You'll have a screen that takes you specifically to your account. When you click this button, it will log you in and take you to your deals main page. You'll come to a page that looks something like this. When the first time you log in, it'll have three deals in place for you automatically, which you can change. And we recommend what you do with them is just copy them and start your own deal. So that's exactly what we'll do here. We'll just pick one, copy it. You enter your deal name. I don't know what you want to sell yourself. Maybe let's just say you're selling pizza. All right, so let's click the pizza. And this screen will open up here. So the process is very simple. All you do now is put the name in here, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to call it pizza deal just for the sake of doing this. Then you would put your own image in here. You would upload it from your computer, or put the link in to an existing image. If you've already done like a Living Social or a Groupon deal, you can just use that same image if you want to repeat that and be able to bring more customers back to that deal. You can put your own tracking in here. You can put your own footer in here. You can do exit pops to try to capture them on the way out. You can do social sharing. So this allows people to share your deal on the social websites. You put your own titles in here. So this is the title that appears on the web browser. These are other things for search engines, which really isn't important here. So we just copy and put the same things in here. And now in this section, you have the header and side block. So this is the side block. The side block can be an image or a video. You can put your own image in there, or you click over and put your own video embed code from like YouTube or something like that. Do you want it to autoplay? Yes or no? You select it. Okay, very simple. If you have an image, you can make it so if they click the image, for instance, maybe you want that to go to your order page. So whatever you put in for your order page, it will go to it. So let's have it do that. Header for the thank you page. So do you want to put a different header on your thank you page? Okay, say yes. Type in what you want that header to be right here. Text options, so you can change you have a few font options based on whatever's set on your computer. You put them in there. Change your font size up and down right here. Change the font color. Keep the background whatever you want it to be, and move on. Number 4, your deal detail. So this is the specifics of your deal. So what do you want your buy button to say? You have your choices right there. Right now it's select to get it now. The link, so you put the link to your payment page right here. So if it's a PayPal link, you put it in there. If you want it to be something else, it's wherever you want your folks to go to make the payment. We recommend PayPal because you can do both either PayPal or a regular credit card that way, and it's easy for people to get a receipt number and have an instant receipt number. But you may have that already set up in an existing shopping cart, so we just need a payment link there. Dead end URL, well, that's for when the deal is over, where do you want it to go? So maybe you want it to go back to your own home page, you would type it in there. Currency, it's any currency you want, USD for US dollars. The deal price is what you're selling it for, and the regular price, of course, is what you normally sell it for. The deal type, so you have 3 types. A quantity countdown, so that you're selling a certain quantity and you tick it down. A date time, so you can make it like 1 day long, 1 hour long, 3 hours long, 4 days long, whatever you want. Or an evergreen countdown, so that they see the same time anytime. So we have it set to evergreen right now, so it says 4 days. Maybe I want it to be 1 day, 5 hours, who knows, 21 minutes, 13 minutes, okay? And that's what everybody will see every time they land on your page, right? Next, the quantity. So what's the quantity you want to show? You start it with that goes right here, or that you're going to sell. Then the tabs. This gives you a number of different choices for presenting information. You can do one tab, or you can do all 5. So you can turn off any tabs you don't want and keep on any that you do. Right? You fill in with just the information about your deal, and then you go on. Then you customize your thank you page. Do you want a custom thank you page? Yes or no? You don't need to. Pre-done ads, you probably want that turned off. If you want to add any affiliate cross sells or whatever in here, you would have an image to that and the link to it. So it doesn't have to be an affiliate, it could be your own, right? So if you want cross sells, upsells, or other options, you put them in here. And in here, and this appears on the thank you page, right? So when that pops up, they have the thank you page. You put anything you want in here. You would tell them, let's say you need them to check their email and save their receipt number, and maybe they need to give you a call to set an appointment. You tell them whatever they need to do on this thank you page, and that's it. The deal is set. You can save and preview. On the next page, it gives you the links to your deals. It has a regular size deal, one that will fit on like Facebook if you like to market on Facebook, and one, it gives you an embed code so you can actually embed this on your own website. Okay, and then you can test the thank you page right here. You have it right there. You can also do, if you know how to use QR codes so that they can just scan your deal right in their cell phones, mobile device, then you can put that on your web page as well. You can export this deal if you need to. Most likely you don't need to do that. Then you just save and activate, or you can pause it. So let's go ahead and save and activate for the moment. It'll bring us back here. The next thing you'll do is you'll update your deal page, and the deal would then be active. These are active because they show a pause button. This one is not. If I wanted to activate it, I would just click the play button. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to doing this. It's very simple. Then once a deal is set, if let's say you're using a set time deal, it would turn itself off automatically. If you're using Evergreen, you would come in here, pause it whenever you want to pause it, turn it back on whenever you want to turn it back on, and you wouldn't have to go through the setup process again. So let's say you have 5 deals you want to regularly repeat. Well, you set them all up in here and you just activate them when you want them and turn them off when you want them. Then all you do is just email your customers, and we recommend 3 emails, one to set them up, one to remind them, and then one on the day of to let them know that it's in action. And it is that simple afterwards. You just quite literally just email your customers and they come to your deal. Okay, that's it. Thanks.